Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Wednesday, the 24th of August, 2016. Hope you're having a good trading week. We had green stuff across the board, Forex, futures, and stocks, although certainly minor and small, as the market was very contained for most of the session. Once again, going nowhere. So let's just get through what we've the updates. The charts aren't going to look much different. Everything I'm looking at on my screen in single-digit differences from yesterday. But we'll still do the analysis, look at the intraday action, and talk about the economic data for tomorrow. It does not, at the moment, feel like volume is picking up for the last 2 weeks here this summer. We're down to 8 trading days. A week from Friday, which is September, what is that, the 2nd of September? That's going to be heading into the long Labor Day weekend, and that was never going to be exciting anyways. Probably not Thursday either next week. So don't forget, next week's also end of the month. August 31st is Wednesday. I'd say probably, here's a guess, next week the 31st will be dead because it's end of month. And at that point, who's going to come back for Thursday or Friday ahead of a long weekend? So we have chances left would be Wednesday, tomorrow, Thursday, probably not this Friday, and then maybe next Tuesday for any big moves before we settle in for Labor Day at this point. Just to make you aware, Rich is on vacation. He leaves. He'll be gone this Thursday and Friday, and all next week. He'll be back after Labor Day. He always times his trips around that Labor Day weekend late in the summer for him. All right, crude oil down 60 cents to 46.63. Gold down $2. That's not even a measurement. S&P was up 4, also not really a measurement. NDX up 9. Closed below the risk line still, so it was higher, but it closed below the risk line of that 13 sell signal, so it's still in place. SOX up 4, that's a new closing high on the SOX. Biotech's up $1.90, that's not even measurable on that index. The VIX up 11 cents to 1238. Trend closing at 1.05, that's about where the 10-day moving average is, so that's not a signal. NASDAQ volume worse again, lower today than yesterday, lower than Thursday and Friday, lower than last Tuesday and Wednesday. Only day it's beat is the Monday, Thursday, Friday before. So very low volume at 1.4 billion shares on the NASDAQ. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ plus 869. Means 869 more stocks up than down. Advanced decline ratio on the New York plus 1,079. Google down 36 cents. Still operating off that 13 sell signal from about 2 weeks ago. Apple up 34 cents. Obviously still a blip. Netflix, Amazon up $2.97. Netflix up 68 cents. All right, let's take a look at the intraday action. Look at this. Gapped up, little push for 5 minutes, and then just dead flat for an hour and a half. Finally cracked the lows heading into lunch, and then just dead flat for another 2 hours, and then drifted down for the last 30 minutes, plus the extra settlement period for 15 minutes. NASDAQ side looks a little wider range, but it's really not. Total high to low, by the way, on the ES for the day is 7 points. 7 points of range on the ES. So it's just really bad. That's what happens when you got no volume. Feel very good about the fact that we pulled money out of the market today. And, we're going to have to fight hard for the next probably 8 days unless we see a volume pickup to keep that happening. Otherwise, we'll get back to it for sure after Labor Day. And tomorrow we have data, MBA mortgage index at 7 a.m. Eastern time, FHFA housing price index at 9 a.m. Eastern time, existing home sales at 10 a.m. Eastern time, crude oil inventories at 10:30. That's it. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal 12. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, I would hold off and wait until after Labor Day. Have a great trading week.